Good morning. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. It is officially hurricane warning time. Is it hurricane warning or hurricane warning? Yeah. Melissa gonna hit us. Landfall. I don't know anything about Hurricane Gilbert. I know about Ivan, and Ivan was bad. So when they say Melissa is gonna be worse than Ivan, almost close to Gilbert, it has me very concerned. My anxiety has been through the roof. As I said in my last vlog, I think that this is the first hurricane that I'll be by myself. I won't be with my dad. I can't but go through the explanation of why I won't be with my dad. No, I won't be there. I need to go to PriceSmart. I should have left out already because I know the traffic is just going to be crazy to go down there. I'm just as trifling for trying to do this last minute. Really and truly, I didn't think about it until no, because I've been trying to get a little gas cylinder for my portable stove for a couple days now, and I couldn't get it anywhere else. And then my dad was like, why don't you check PriceSmart? And I was like, okay, that seems like a good idea. So I guess I'll go there and check. See, my clothes are washed from yesterday. Some hung up right here. Some hung up over the shower glass. It's a mess. Y'all do not want to see the state of my bathroom right now. Like, laundry is everywhere. Alright, so I'm gonna take the quickest shower ever. Get ready and go. I don't know, anxiety I kill me, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm very half and half. Like, I'm trying to be okay. I'm trying to just stay calm. But like the other side is like, you know that SpongeBob meme where everything is on fire in his brain? That's literally how I feel right now. But yeah. Yikes. Be right back. So I was coming back to do my little transition because, you know, I jumped down a while ago. And the thing that was holding this camera in place was a snow globe that I got. And
it take you that long to find it? It does.
Because I was trying to turn you guys back on, snow globe was basically at the edge. I was like, I hope this doesn't fall. For the past couple of weeks, I've been contemplating throwing this snow globe away because it has some memories attached to it that I didn't want, right? Keep the snow globe because it fit perfectly in the bathroom. Fell and broke. I'm a little mad that it broke because I just had a feeling that it was going to fall and break. In a way, I don't really mind because I wanted to get rid of it. I feel like this is a sign from God that I should have gotten rid of it. So I guess it's gone now. I'm literally gonna go on Amazon and see if I can find it back. Look at it. It's a little turtle with a snow globe on top. I'm a little salty, not gonna lie. The turtle leg is broken, so I can't even just use the turtle alone. Yeah. I don't know how to feel about that. I'm not gonna lie. That's what the turtle looks like alone without the snow globe. I mean, you can't really see that the back leg is gone. Like, do you think I should keep it or do you think I should listen and throw it away? Anyways, I need to clean up this glass before I accidentally step on it. So give me a second. All right, this is the OOTD. Just a little t-shirt, these shorts, and wear my black Crocs. Why did I let my hair down? Not too sure because my mirror is full of pet hair. That is atrocious. I have my beanie. I was going to wait until possibly if rain fall, I'll put it on, but I feel like I should just put it on now and then at this point. Especially because I don't really love how my hair is looking. Yeah. This is so mean. Hopefully PriceSmart is not too full right. Well, no, I'm lying. I know PriceSmart is gonna be full. I'm trying to think of what else I need to buy. I need to get this cylinder and try to figure out where I can get a refill. I need to get dog food. I realize this dog food is finishing. I need to buy gas for the car. Honestly, I don't know what else I need right now. So I guess, I don't know. Anxiety. Free me from the shackles of being anxious. I will see you guys when I get to PriceSmart. Bro, look at the traffic just to go inside, just to park. Oh my gosh. Why did I do this? You get lashes and bugs. You know what I should have done? I should have driven through the exit. My sister do it and I said, no, I'm gonna be a good noodle. I should have done that. Sometimes you should break the rules because why am I sitting here in traffic now when I could have already entered? I mean, it's not slow still, but me just hope me come in here and get what me want, because I'll be pissed. Okay, so I'm in PriceSmart right now and it's full. It's full. The lines are already full. Am I annoyed? Yes. Yes, I'm annoyed. I really should just ask. Hi. Do you know where I can find the little camping gas? Yeah. Jesus Christ! 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. You open 8 today? Really? Channel 10. Me just hope me come in here and get what me want, because I'll be pissed. I'm pissed. Tell me come go my yard, yeah, man. Yo, I hate coming to PriceSmart, bro. And apparently they opened at 8 o'clock this morning. I thought it was 10 because they said 10 on the website. Thing with Waze, Waze is going to send me in some places to cut out traffic. So, send me around here, so to send me through Whitehall. Mind you, it says this is me cutting out 3 minutes of traffic. At this point, every minute counts. Because I used to see those and be like, oh, it's just 3 minutes. But like, honestly, yeah, I need them 3 minutes. I'm sorry. Anyways, I'm going to this place on Red Hills Road, one gas place, to see if they have the cylinder that I want. If they have it, they must kind of refill it. Testing my luck. If not, then I'll have to go to True Value and hope that they still have the cylinder, because they're selling the cylinder alone for $20,000, and then I'm gonna have to find somewhere to get it refilled. Whereas PriceSmart was selling it for $8,000 odd. I just want to scream. I do not want to spend $20,000 for that, especially since I know that it can be cheaper. Like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. But if push comes to shove, and shove comes to pushing, then that's what I'm gonna have to do, unfortunately. I've been to 3 places. Sometimes freeness isn't always good something, because why did I think that that portable stove thingy was the best thing ever and this would be an easy fix? But no! This is camping gas. I'd have to get a whole different type of cylinder, not the regular gas pandem. So no, I went to a gas company a while ago and they're saying that I need to go to a hardware, get this end, try to get this end, and then I have to go back to that gas company and get the hose and regulator and get a 25-pound cylinder. I'm just annoyed and restart file. But we're gonna do this, okay? Because I need this. And if I get this done this way, it'll work out cheaper. Even if I were to get that other cylinder that I saw for 20 grand, I wouldn't have anywhere to send it to refill it today. So, and it's raining now. Where's my umbrella? My dear, let's go into Handy's hardware. Handy hardware. Right. Alright guys, I am very overwhelmed, overstimulated. I've been to like 3 places. I can't get what I want, so I decided to just go home. So the only thing that I did on my list was buy gas for the car. So I did that, and I treated myself to a cheesecake because I'm stressed. So yeah, I'm gonna have like 2 bites and then I'm gonna go to the supermarket and buy some dog food. Really and truly, I wanted a hot dog. Gas station hot dogs be slapping. I'm back home. I'm done. I've had it for the day. I'm very tired. I'm very drained. I went to the supermarket. I bought this big thing of dog food. It's outside there. I can't bother carry it in. I also got spaghetti because I really needed spaghetti for my spaghetti and mince. I got a case of Red Bull. I never knew Red Bull was so expensive. You couldn't tell me? And there's not like a pack deal. I thought I would have gotten a pack deal, but no. They literally scanned each one if it was packaged like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, anyways, last but not least, I bought candles. I know I'm not going to use all 8 of them. I'm hoping I don't need to use all 8 of them. I didn't get my gas. I didn't get those things that I specifically went on the road for, so I am quite annoyed. Okay. Now, guys, you don't know me to cry on the internet, right? So I was talking to my dad earlier, and he was saying, you know, he was saying I should stay because I'll be safer here, whatever. But then, we're talking today, and honestly, I was thinking of trying to go early in the morning because we realized that the rain not really tear early in the morning. So I was thinking of going early tomorrow morning, which would be Sunday, which would low key be the day it's supposedly supposed to come. But anyways, but then he called me just now and he's saying, honestly, the more he thinks about it is the more he thinks I should stay here and not come because 5 days of rain and Portland stay with rain and all of that, and I just feel so bad. And I hope that we're all exaggerating the situation. I hope that we're all overthinking, and then when it passes I can just look back and be like, oh my god, I was killing up myself for nothing. Because I would genuinely hate for this to actually be a lot more serious and anything to happen, like God forbid anything to happen, and I feel even more guilty for not being there because I already feel like shit. I feel terrible for not being there, mixed with the fact that I'm going to be here alone. So yeah, I'm literally about to take my ashwagandha soon because all morning my anxiety has been off the chain. I have been shaking, my heart has been racing. I'm gonna take the Red Bull I'm gonna drink earlier, didn't really make it no better. I haven't eaten all day. The only thing I'm gonna eat is 2 slices of bread, and then when I eat them 2 slices of bread, then I realize so I understand why Jamaicans always buy off the bread, because when we eat them 2 slices of bread, then I'm thinking about if the light will go away and I'm hungry, I know I'm gonna be feasting on that bread. And if me eat 2 slices of bread for one like a sandwich a while ago, I underestimated this storm because I didn't buy any other non-perishables. Like what I have is just what I decide to eat me work with. A part of me is just hoping that this really isn't as bad as people are saying it will be. So yeah, need to go charge up my stuff. I don't know why I'm waiting till last minute. Again, I guess this is the hope and faith that it is not as serious, but I really do need to prep some more. I think I have like 2 more water bottles that I can fill up. I have 2 filled up already. Well, I don't know, I feel so discombobulated because I'm not with my dad, and that's the sad truth. Yeah. I found my Carmex after months of looking for it in one of my shorts pockets. I'm on live, by the way. I'm gonna be cooking. I'm going to make a rice bowl. I always refer to them as whole bowl because that's what Chilitos calls them. Please don't blow him. I'm gonna try. I don't know what to tell you. Groceries I'm gonna buy from the other day, I'm just now getting around to putting them in the cupboard. You know what I forgot to buy? Paper towel. Here's what I need. I'm wondering if these are soft enough. Like, do you think they're ripe or you think them turn? I'd prefer if these were ripe right now for what I want it for. It looks ripe around here, but around here, it look kind of turn. And them not feel extremely soft, but them not really feel turn either. Because I need that sweetness. Me wrote it, but this not make no sense. I'm supposed to be making. This makes sense? I'm literally going to have to make more rice. I don't want to make any more rice. Here's my tomato. Nothing wrong with the rice, it's just not enough. Hello? Just don't work. Let me tell you why I saved a little bit of rice here. Yes, I remember now. I said if I was peckish, I would do like fried rice. It literally makes no sense. I feel jiggy. Calm down. Creme de la creme. That's up. But yes, guys, this is my whole bowl, my rice bowl, with my chicken, my corn, my sauce, right? My black beans and my rice, garnished with thyme and love. We're doing a taste test. God is good. God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen. It's not cooking with Shelby. It's chefing with Shelby. Get it right. I'm going to taste them individually first. The spice is there. The hint of sweetness is there. You just put a hot up because y'all wasted my time me throwing out things out of tins. It could a little hotter. But anyways, I give that a 9.9 out of 10. It lost points because it is not hot. Next, the rice. I give the rice a 9 out of 10. Only because it look fresh. I'm not gonna lie, it look fresh. Corn, 10 out of 10 because it's corn. Black bean, I'm not gonna lie. At the first I buy the black bean here. I don't really know why I'm playing with my life like this. I like it when I buy the whole bowls at restaurants. So I was like, it should taste good. Oh, this tastes like rice and piso. Oh, and this camera battery is dead also. Bye. I'm just gonna say that the food was a 10 out of 10.
And here she comes.
All I can tell you is try to be safe.
That is all we're going to try to do. Can't do anything else, man. And when it gets stronger than this, every leaf fly off.
Yeah. See you later.
All right, my love.
Bye. He's in a good mood this morning. No matter probably still in my head. Like, I literally just woke up for you. Last night, I finished cooking. And y'all saw the finished results. Like, my camera died. And I was really not about to charge it and then finish cooking. Like, that was just too much. So, yeah, I'm gonna start packing a bag now because I fell asleep last night. I was avoiding doing this yesterday because I was so overwhelmed and overstimulated, and I'm starting to feel that way again, and I want to procrastinate and put it off again. But you know, today be the day where, you know, I should have do it and I never did. So where's my pen? That's what I need to find, my pen. Okay, I write anything in this book, honestly. Like, today is the 26th, which is also my sister's birthday. Things to pack in my spin-a-night bag. But it's not a spin-a-night bag, it's a spin a couple days bag. Because, so this bag and my other Gen X one. You see, that's my problem. I don't know what I need. Alright, tracks? Because I was talking to chat about this last night, you know. If you decide to stay with a friend, here are some things you need. If you decide to stay, here are some other things you need. Clothes. Like, why do I need ChatGPT to tell me what I need? It's only because I'm anxious, because I use my brain for the most part. I don't overuse or abuse AI. And we're burning the planet by this overkill of AI. I'm really trying to cut it out and tap back into my own brain. But for right now, my brain lock off. My brain is not working. Toiletries. I hear that hurt me. Just tell me why I saw a news report today that's saying that this hurricane is probably gonna be worse than Gilbert, Ivan, and Beryl. Because they said Gilbert was a category 3 hurricane and it never made landfall. This one has now strengthened into a category 4 and it is making landfall. Like, Daddy literally just showed me a video a while ago where the coconut, them drop off of the coconut tree already. The real breeze not even started. There's a mango tree in the yard. There are so many trees in my yard, like, oh my gosh! Ah! And then now, I see people are post bowl. I'm cooking off my salmon right now because if the light goes, that's the first thing that's gonna thaw out. I just found my birth certificate a while ago. And put it in a plastic container. All right, so these are like the medicine and the toiletries I have that are gonna go in this bag, right? So let's begin, shall we? Panty liner, pad, rag, flushable wipes, regular wipes, my Dossier, because why not? Now you guys know I love my Dossier down. If you don't know what Dossier is, it's a perfume brand that started out making perfumes that were inspired by luxury scents like YSL, Giorgio Armani, Tom Ford, etc., etc. They branched off to making candles, room diffusers, their own perfume lines, their own collections, all that stuff. So yeah, they're very affordable. They start at $29.99. And yeah, y'all know me, the promoter of cheap and clean on a budget. So the 2 cents I'm sharing with you today, Fruity Neroli, and this one is inspired by Giorgio Armani. I've never had a perfume from Giorgio Armani before, so let me do a little test. It has a little bit of musk and vanilla in it. I can smell that, and those are really my go-to things in perfumes, I realize nowadays. So yeah, this one is really nice. And then y'all know my OG, the Amber Vanilla, which is inspired by YSL's Black Opium. This one is not as strong as the Fruity Neroli because this one has 15% concentration. Basically, the notes are similar. It doesn't have the muskiness in this one, but it does have the jasmine as well. I think the jasmine and orange blossom are, yeah. Yes, they're in both of them. And as you know, because I love the Amber Vanilla perfume so much, I had to get it in the candle version. So yeah, a nice big candle. It lasts me for a good while and it smells amazing. So yeah, they're having a Black Friday sale right now. So make sure you go on their website and take advantage of that. Deodorant, leave-in spray because I'm not gonna have that dried something there, right? My ashwagandha because my anxiety is through the roof. My probiotics because I still need to maintain my health. I have some candles. I have a lighter. I have some garbage bags. I have like bandages and stuff like that, like a first aid kit kind of. Mosquito repellent, cough syrup in case I get sick. Batteries. I have more batteries in the car, so yeah, I have more. Do I have anything to put the batteries in? No, I don't even know why I have them, but you know I have them. We soon reach this, so yeah. So that's that. We gonna pack this now. I think I'm going to this store. I feel like I can put some of my food, like my snacks that I'm gonna eat. Alright, I think the least I can do, if I got somebody out, the least we can do is bring little food. So that I will take in case I'm going to cook. You know, I should not. I'm gonna put them in a bag. Yeah, I'm gonna put these things in a bag because I can't mix up toiletries with food. You know what I'm saying? Some corned beef, some tuna, Thai chili one, and the one with sweet corn, jerk sausages. I have ramen. Yeah. I bring my bread. I'm bringing my bread. I'm bringing my bread. And I have granola because I'm bringing my... After I go buy big sitting on yogurt, then I must bring it. Put those in. More things I'm holding that bag here because I'm not taking more than 2 bags. I'm currently charging my power bank right now. I think it's like clothes and electronics. My power bank, my 2 power banks are charging currently. My camera battery is charging. I can't find the other battery, and honestly, can't bother. It is what it is at this point. I was just looking at my Bible a while ago, but it's alright. I have the app. I need a Bible here to stay here so and go by the ends, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna pack the other one because I'm honestly like I'm procrastinating. I'm here lay now, and I'm getting annoyed with myself. So yeah, I need to get a move on. Dear, this is my first hurricane fit of the season. I'm just playing. Oh, all of my mirrors are dirty. This is disgusting. Why didn't I notice that? I barely come in this room anyway, so there's that. Okay, so my bags are packed. And honestly, I'm leaving this apartment just the way it is. I already secured my important documents. Honestly, I don't know what more I can do. I did catch up some water, wash the dishes, clean up the bathroom a little bit, clean my room a little bit, heavy on the a little bit. Sure, all my windows are closed because I cannot afford for this place to be flooding. Truly the best I can do. Prayers up, innit? I'm gonna grab Enzo and skedaddle. Okay? Okay. But there, I am out of here. I'm wondering if there's any other little thing that I might need right now, but honestly, I feel like if me not have everything by now, I'm not going to have it again. So I should just pray for the best at this point. Are you all stupid or something? Drive. One of my neighbors saw me leaving and I was like, Shelby, you're going? And I'm like, yeah, I'm out of here. She was like, Chano, after me I say, I have a good company in the storm. Oh God, I feel bad. I feel bad. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Alright guys, so the last time you saw me was, I'm gonna say the beginning of the hurricane. I believe Sunday morning. It claimed that it was coming boy, the amount of times that they claimed that it was coming Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday, right? I didn't stay home. I ended up staying at one of my friend's house. Honestly, I was not thinking about recording or doing any of that during the hurricane. I was fretting for the most part, wondering what is going to happen. Trying to read the updates, trying to watch the news and see what's happening. Fretting about Portland and my dad, all of that stuff. Honestly, I was not fretting about myself. I was fretting about Portland. It was kind of weird when people were commenting under my video that I posted, because the last vlog that I posted it the day before the hurricane came. So I believe I posted it Monday, if I'm not mistaken, because I was like, just give y'all something to watch before JPS take the light and a hurricane comes, whatever. Cool. It was kind of weird when people were in my DM saying, "Oh, I hope you get to vlog your hurricane experience." What if it was tragic? Like, I'm so grateful. I'm grateful now. The hurricane has passed. All of that. It's now Wednesday, right? The hurricane has passed, and I'm so grateful that I survived. Nothing happened to me where I was staying. Nothing happened to my apartment. I came back. It's in one piece. Light is here. All of that stuff. Checked on my dad. Nothing happened there either. Well, the apple tree did drop down on the car, but thankfully it was only a little scratch. I don't know how. That was a miracle. But anyways, I'm grateful for all of those things. But it is so bittersweet that when I finally get back light and I'm scrolling on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and I see the devastation that took place in St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, Westmoreland, St. Anne. Because what do you mean that 2-story houses are submerged? Like, my brain, I cannot wrap my brain around that. I saw it with my own 2 eyes, and my brain still is having a very hard time processing that. Like, I wake up this morning and I'm just watching all the videos and everything, and tears literally come in my eye, and I wanted to just turn off my phone. And even that I felt guilty about, because how dare I want to turn off my phone to not see what's going on when this is literally people's reality. Like, people are going through this. People have lost their lives. People have lost their homes. People have lost their possessions. Some people that have life give thanks, but so many people have to start from scratch. And like I genuinely cannot imagine. And I'm not going to lie for a second, I thought that would have been my house in Portland. I'm not going to even kid you. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I genuinely thought that might have been a small possibility for my house in Portland, because of where it is and how everything's set up. And to see that happen, to see that actually happen to other people in those parishes, it really hurt me. And I've been so overwhelmed with the amount of, it's like information overload. My head literally hurt me right now. I've been trying to figure out like who to help, how to help. I know there's an official link from the government, which is supportjamaica.gov.jm. The link will be in the description box below to go and donate. I know how some people are with donating to the government, because you're like, not sure if they're going to actually use the funds to do this, but you just have to do your own research. Or if you want to directly help some people, you can do that. I know there are links where you can sign up and actually physically go there to help them. Or I know some people have their little charities or their drives where they're collecting toiletries, non-perishable items, stuff like that to send to those people. So, you can help. I already donated. I am still thinking of other ways that I can help, because it's so insensitive how I see Kingstonians behaving. And I felt this way last year as well with Beryl. I was in Port Antonio last year when that happened, and my light gone for a week, no signal, no water, can't drive on the road, etc., right? Nobody could hear from me. Some people were fretting for me, etc. So I can imagine how the people feel now that I can't get through to the people in Senti. When I came back to Kingston, everyone's like, oh, I had light and I was good, and they're going out for drinks and they were doing this while hurricane's supposed to come. Or it's like, you can be grateful and you can be humble that you didn't get it as bad as other parishes, but you can still empathize with them and help where you can. You know, like I feel, I don't know, like it really gives me the ache and it just really turned me off, and I just hate that mentality. I don't like it at all. So this year, that's why I don't know, that's why it just weighed so much on me this year to stay here instead of go home and be with my dad and help out whatever. Instead, you know, I'm in Kingston where I was privileged enough to not go through half of that stuff that I went through last year. Like, only gone for one day for me. Some people lost everything. I'm still trying to figure out how exactly I want to help. I've already donated. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very, very overwhelmed. I don't want this to come off a certain way, but I cannot believe that people are really sending out memorandums, sending out emails, or telling their employees that they need to come back to work tomorrow and stuff like that. Like, are you guys okay? The amount of collabs and promo videos that I have to post, and the entire time, even right now when the light come back and everything, I could post, but that is so tone deaf, that is so cruel. It's a little bit half and half for me because that's my job. That's why I make money. In a time like this, you kind of just have to pick and choose. I hope you understand exactly what I'm trying to say. Like yes, I have work to do, but people need help. So I'm trying to figure out how I can do both of those things. Because at the end of the day, the world has not stopped. It has to keep moving. And now I'm starting to think, yo, I may have to do some things differently with the host in Portland, because what if another hurricane comes and it hits there? Minute my host I can manage. So now I have to think about all type of other things to improve the infrastructure. Oh my god, that's just too much for me, bro. But yeah, that's my update regarding Hurricane Melissa. Jano. Yeah.